Your Kent RO might be overflowing from the bottom. The reason is old valve, electronic solenoid valve. This needs to be replaced. If you switch on the power supply, you will see the amplified output of water. So coming back to our RO filter solenoid valve, I have removed the screws using this screwdriver, and then just lift it up. This spring goes in there like that, and it is just a electronic switch with the electric supply. It closes and opens the gates of this water dispenser, and this is the part where salt deposition takes place. You can remove it and see that a lot of salt has been deposited. This salt can be scraped off using this brush, so I will do that. And this is the result after scraping, rubbing of the salt with brush. And now I will put these parts back together. It is a very simple electromechanical switch. Electric supplies goes there, and this is the mechanical switch which pushes this diagram down to stop or release the flow of water. And after putting it back, hopefully the RO will work. Notice that this is 2017 make and the current year is 2021, so this valve has done its job. Like a heavy duty service has been done, and a small repair. Hope it will help it work for longer. Thank you. Sometimes the solenoid valve still leaks, so using a Teflon tape or a seal tape, you can seal the leaking liquid. See, if I switch on the water supply, now it is completely leak proof and working fine, hopefully. Let's check. I have switched on the RO. There are no signs of leak from the solenoid valve or the pump or the membrane, and it is about to start the filtration result, which is clean water, and this continuous stream shows that it is working correctly now. Thank you.